why I call on her here? Because now I know saying that two of them will be my main party for this cabin. Do you understand? You get waiting and one man do. I know they follow Carol. The first thing on my elder sister, no mission I go dey follow her. Man, the reason with me, make things they happen.
Bros, that one day. That one day. Bros. This way don't they talk like this, so if you like to bribe, you won't bribe also.
Oh, shut up, that's what you do. You know wise? Must only talk. You know, go feel wait, make I just explain within that one package, make you understand. You just they talk. Must be faster than your shadow. You see? You get one fine boy just back on the area. If you see this guy, the guy clean. All right, designers that in the way, I could observe the guy. Sure. For this area, a person they wear all this expensive clothes. Now attract the guy with morale. You understand? So now me and I know they align one or two. So I come reason and say, how go to your office this guy? I come see I get two younger sisters like you now. You know understand? I'm on appeal. So what I need to do now? I need to go bath, package, tidy. Do you understand? We could package the guy because from that level now I go to benefit when I go to benefit from the guy. We go to collect.
Bros, what you come concern us with the guy? Bros, calm down. Calm down, not the hurry us. We're not the fine husband. At least make our either ones marry first.
Nah, I don't say you no get sense at all. Now this thing, I just go choose two wrong people as my sister. I don't know how to take born on us. Whose kind of sisters and be this? None of you use my brain. You know, see that brain they take to run the street. I told her better see what you go do. This is a simple thing. I'm gonna follow my instruction. Everywhere go good. As soon as this, I'm gonna package where we all the worker pass the guy in that street. I say we go buy something, we'll go come. We'll go like 4 or 5 times. Come. The guy must observe now. He must call me. So we'll be this. From there on I go to collect. We even package the guy say, when I no relate. You understand? You go like saying be smart guy, you wanna go for the two. I know the matter now.
Bros, you get point too, but you sure say the boy go like us.
What did they talk like? You don't believe yourself. As a package like this,
boss.
So that, see, come. See, this matter, I don't go take care of them. Just put in us. You understand? Until we come out, we share. No shaking, when I go.
Boss.
I'm attract my guys when I go.
Give me a run for my money. There's nobody, no one there.
What do you want?
Hello?
What do you want?
Kelvin, take it easy, it's me.
I know it's you, Christopher. What do you want? Say what you want. I don't have all the time. Go straight to the point.
Okay. Please, my love, let us sit and talk face to face. Please.
What do I need to see you for? What do I need to see you for? No, tell me. So that you start giving me all those bullshit school episode and shit?
No, not at all. I just want to see my baby, that's all. Please.
Are you sure this time is for real?
Yes. Please.
So where are you?
At the campus. Are you coming?
I'll see you soon.
What is wrong with you? You must scare.
Honey, I just wanted to scare you a little bit. I don't mean all this.
You don't mean what? Huh? And how many times am I supposed to tell you not to use pet names on me? I have nothing going on with you. I have made it clear that I have a boyfriend, Kelvin. So please, I would appreciate it if you stop using such pet names on me.
Kelvin?
Yes, Kelvin.
You know, God told me that Calvin treats you like a piece of trash. I know how far I feel about you, you know.
Well, let me make this clear to you. Whatever lies God told you about Kelvin is left for you to take it or leave it. But I want you to know this. Kelvin doesn't treat me like trash. He is my man. He will continue to be, and you will continue to be my friend.
Calvin, right? See,
Yes.
why do you choose to be with the guy that treats you so bad? I mean well for you.
No, you don't mean well for me. If you do, you will respect my wishes and let me be. Please, this nonsense you tried, don't do it again. Excuse me.
Christabel, in this campus, if I don't have you, no man will. I will chop on.
With the stupid thing they call love. I am done with all the stupid thing they call love. Look at her. Just done. I'm done with the stupid thing they call love. I am so done with this stupid thing they call love.
Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days, night to come, night to come. Back in the days, seasons will come.
Agnes, you promised you won't leave me alone with our son, Calvin. Agnes, our son has gone astray and I am lost. I don't even know what to do. I don't have any answers. This is the time when I need you most. I need you. Why are you sleeping? Agnes, why are you sleeping when our son is ruining his life? Please wake up, my darling. Don't sleep again. I need you now. Kelvin needs you.
Christabel, stop. I'll explain. I'll explain to him and I'm sure he will understand.
I beg, give me this one. Give me. Christabel, see, make I tell you something. Babe, you need to shine your eye. What's up you now? Why they do anyhow? See, let me tell you, you got to maintain, no. Because me, I feel say this guy don't like you at all. I am pretty sure that this guy doesn't love you. Why are you even falling for him? Why are you killing yourself over him? See, babe, open your eye, you. Open your eye. Wait till happen, sef. Not the leg guy they use you like that, oh. Babe, you got to open your eye. Shine your eye well. Be correct, babe. No fuck up. They love guy, they cry for man. For waiting now, you they mad. I say they mad. No cry for man again. Babe, the guy won't discharge you. He want to throw away you. Come out for corner.
Shut up your mouth. Hello, Christabel.
What did he do you?
Hello. Please don't mind her.
Tell her the truth.
Yes. Okay, my darling.
Okay, tell her the truth.
Why are you behaving like this?
Waiting, this guy no love her.
This girl is in pain. You don't talk to someone in pain like
Why
that.
would she be crying for a man?
You're just being stupid.
I cannot cry for a man.
Nonsense.
This one. Bad things I don't feel cry for a man. What's up, you? What's up, babe?
This girl is in pain. I said we can
What's
talk.
up? Forget that pain. Which pain? Who pain there?
You're just being silly. See, everybody cannot be like you. You better know that now.
Make your mate they talk about baby, press. You shift, Jerry. This one, not too cold. Your manager make you cool.
Guy, you know bad for us. Imagine
Ogu will kill you. I better go kill your papa in the crest. You give me money, Guy, make it take time. Oh. Don't let me reason your matter.
Nah, guy, back where? Nah, back where? Which one? Every time you go tell me say, may not reason my matter, may not reason my. Wait till I do yourself for you even reason my matter.
Let her know.
Nah.
Go. No, be like two the hustle since last week.
I know they hustle.
All the hustle on the hustle. Like, show me any love. I mean, the crazy.
They tie your hand. Why would they come out to go hustle? They tie your hand say make you no follow us go hustle.
I will go kill you.
Okay, no wahala.
I suspect you say na you kill Eve.
No wahala.
I don't suspect you say na you kill Eve.
No, leave her.
Because if they talk better thing, no, they like to talk better thing.
No, leave her.
See, Kevo, bros, no reason, man. But if na me be you, we catch my baby with that bastard, I go chook am. Even I go mend am, so that if I mend am finish, I go run enter my baby. If I run enter my baby, I go beat am, pent am black and blue.
See how useless you dey. You see how useless una two dey. I don't even know how to know now. How to even know now.
You know from here.
See, your matter dey pass chuk. The chuk one na chuk class. Police dey find una.
Nah.
See where you Kevo. Now inside this idiot them. They don't smoke and drink. See, you need to go meet your baby, because at times, what you dey see, no be what you be. You don't understand?
Nah, guy, forget that thing. Forget that thing. Okay, but we see. Check am now. That Kevo babe fuck up. Babe wey be say na she still call Kevo. Say make him fall out. Before you know, the same person wey still call person make him come out. They one crowd. They with one guy. They press.
You know what our brother?
Which one brother? They corner for his sister. They press.
No, so this people they.
Kevo no be you.
I don't hurt you. I don't hurt you. I don't hurt you.
When I begin to hate you, as he buys this drink, you not buy for us now. When I begin to hate you,
I don't hate you.
I swear. How you talk this kind of thing? You want making the full making the package. Nah, Kevo.
What am I going to do like this?
See, Kaka, that stuff wey big brother dey reason us the other day. That matter now when you carry us go one side, come the reason. How you see him?
Which one? I know say matter when the reason us plenty. Which one?
Which one be which one again? Don't we come here you now? We say now to be party now.
Okay. You know say for that matter, big boss too they like use us. Too they like use our head. But this time around, we will just try. Maybe we give them benefit of doubt. But if you use our head again, carry us go, chop the money only him.
See, Kaka, leave that benefit of doubt too. Leave him. You see, not be all those when they carry us, they go after everything, they go pay and the money, only go chucking am from one side. See, this one, if you try him, me personally, I go change him for him.
We go fight him.
I go just change him for him. See, we don't pass all those levels now.
You need to say we still be small picking, we be saying go carry money, we go carry our body, go they pay. If you do him again, you don't give us more money. If you don't not thinking, you don't give us money. We go expose them everybody for this house.
Calm down. Maybe just talk for nothing. Calm down. Make we just exercise patience, reach then. After everything, you go come say, you go chucking the money alone. You know me now. I go change him for him.
Fight him.
My dear friend, I know you mean well, and I know you love your husband so much. It's obvious you want to build a joyous home like you said. But from what is happening, I will advise you be very careful. Please be careful. Nobody gets married to be mother though.
My dear sister, I have done everything humanly possible. All to no avail. It keeps getting worse. I have even tried to talk to him one-on-one like you advised. But it didn't work. Honestly, I am tired. I'm tired.
Don't be tired. Just be wise. And what's your husband saying about the whole thing?
What can I say? He's stressed out. The whole thing is telling on him. And it has destroyed the father and son relationship that they once shared. I know that the people out there will be insinuating that I am the one causing the rift between father and son. I don't know what to do anymore. Like I said, I am tired. I don't know. I don't just... Honestly,
gold digger.
You see what I'm talking about? Have you seen it? We have to go. Let me drop you off. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on, pick your call. Pick your call. He's not picking his calls. He's answering another call.
Who is not picking your calls? Who are you calling?
My husband.
What for?
I want to tell him that Kelvin is back.
There's no need for that. Don't stress this man any further. Eh? He will meet Kevin when he comes back. What if you call him now and he's hurrying home and something bad happens to him on his way?
Nothing bad will happen to my husband. What if by the time he comes back, Kelvin is already gone? Again?
I don't think so. He will not go anywhere. He will meet him when he comes back. Ah, stress yourself, you stress this man. Ah.
I think you're right. Let me drop you off. Can I have my phone now?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Here you go, sir.
What's that?
It's the minutes of the meeting you have with the Chinese client you asked me to prepare.
What minute? What? Oh. Okay, sorry dear. Let me just drop it there.
Is everything alright, sir? Should I get you a cup of coffee?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Okay. It's past 6 now. I need to leave. I only stayed here to finish up the minutes.
That's alright. You can go. I still have work to do. Okay
sir.
You know I am not happy with you.
Yes, I know.
You are no longer a kid. You are now a full-grown man. And you must act as one, okay?
I'm sorry, Mom.
No matter the level of provocation, a man shouldn't hate a woman. Your father here has never raised a finger on me. Not that I don't provoke him, but as a man, he knows better ways of resolving issues with his partner. So, go to Christabel and apologize this minute. We never raised you up like that.
I'll do as you've said, Mom.
Better for you.
Thank you for what?
Always stepping in the right thing to do.
Hey, come off it. You don't have to thank me. It's my job.
Thank you, officer.
Okay, just sit and let me get to breakfast.
Good evening, Dad.
Yep.
Got a minute?
For you, son, I'm available 24/7, so.
Thank you, Dad. Father, a friend of mine invited me for a party, and I need to be there. My problem is, Mom, you know, she doesn't like late night parties and all that, so I don't know. Can you please help me talk to her, please?
That's going to be kind of tough, huh? You know your mom.
No.
All right, I'll talk to her on one condition.
Any condition, Father, just say it.
No alcohol, and you come back 10 o'clock.
Father, of course you know I don't do alcohol, I detest it. My problem here is the time, 10 o'clock. I'm not sure I can make it. I have to drop Christabel and her friend before coming back home. Let's just make it 11.
10:30. Deal?
Deal. Thank you, Father. Thank you. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son.
I'll see you soon.
All
I'll
right.
call you. Don't stay up. Don't stay up.
All right. So I think we should start by singing him a song.
Right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Kelvin. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Son, we are grateful to God that on this day, He has added another year to your life.
Yes, Dad.
What can I say? On behalf of myself and your mom, I wish you all the best. God's protection, preservation, progress, prosperity, and everything that is good. All the best wishes are for you today.
We wish you well. And amen. Amen to that.
God will keep on blessing you all the days of your life, and He will enable you to accomplish all your dreams and aspirations.
Amen.
Thank you very much, Dad.
I wish you well, son.
Thank you.
We wish you well.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
So I guess we'll just watch you cut your cake, and after that there is something else. So
I'll do that.
All right.
Place your finger. See that, right?
Okay.
Okay, at the count of Jesus, we cut.
Okay.
J-E-S-U-S. Wow!
Thank you.
I love you too, son.
Dad! So,
Where's that from?
Well, why don't we go and see the surprise outside? Then we can come back and have a cake.
All right.
All right.
A surprise.
Close your eyes.
Oh, close my eyes. Okay.
Wow! Who did this to my husband?
Him, your son.
So tell me how you like him now.
Oh, he practically
I love him.
He forced me into this.
Come here. You're just looking like the old time when I first met you.
I'm still here.
I know. Just give us a break, eh? Let me have a good time with my husband.
You are good?
Yes, I'm good.
You know, sometimes I feel like questioning God and asking Him why He didn't bless us with more children or even with another daughter. But then I take a look at our son Kelvin and I say to myself, God has completely blessed us. I'm telling you.
You're right, my husband. You see, Kelvin has been so much blessing to us, and you know it.
Yeah.
And to watch him grow day by day into such a perfect and intelligent young man fills my heart with joy. And I'm grateful to God.
Me too, me too. I have made arrangements for him to go and do his master's program in Canada.
Wow!
I'm sure you'll be very glad to hear
That's
that.
great news. You've already said it all. You said it all, my darling. Oh, let me finish one.
All right, all right.
See you.
Missed calls? Oh. It's dark already. I need to start going home.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
But you know, yeah, I wonder why people don't appreciate true love sometimes.
Why would you say that?
You wouldn't believe it, but Abel and Gold broke up.
You're not serious. Wait, babe. Are you saying that Gold and Abel are no longer together?
Exactly what I am saying. 3 whole years gone down the drain. And they even had marriage in plans.
Are you serious? To think that I always talk about your love life. But what really happened?
Well, Abel said...
Well...
No, wait. Abel said he caught her sleeping not just with one guy, but 2 different guys.
Holy Moses. What? Wait. That in mind, she's your roommate and your friend. Did she do it? Did she do it?
Okay, calm down. She did. Truthfully, I warned her. But she said she was trying to raise money for Abel, and when she got the money, she was going to quit.
What nonsense. Can you imagine such a betrayal?
You know, I still don't understand it. I don't understand why someone would cheat on a man that loves her so much.
Wait. Are you saying that you would...
What are you then trying to say? Well, let me remind you, lover boy. I will never, ever, I mean never, ever, cheat on you. Come on! What are you saying? I mean, how can I cheat on someone like you?
Because you know I got the right thing.
I mean, right thing now, no.
I'm the right.
I'm going to scream.
It is my room, my house. Scream!
Let me help you.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How are you and how is business?
I'm fine, oh, I'm fine.
Mama, hope all is well.
My dear, all is well. If only Stella had married you, she would be happy in her home today.
Not again, Mama, not again. Mama, whether marriage or no marriage, you are my family for life. I know I was hurt, but it's in the past now.
Ah, here she comes.
Stella. How are you? You're welcome. Mama, I've got to run along now.
I hope you're not leaving because of Stella.
No.
Yes, I hope you're not leaving because of me.
Come on, I can't be leaving because of you. As a matter of fact, I've got an appointment at the government house, so I really have to go to run. Anyways, before I leave, Mama, manage this.
No, this is too much.
Come on.
What's you giving me anytime you see me?
It's not a big deal. As a matter of fact, my contract just paid off, and I believe it's your prayer that is the key to my success.
God, this is too much.
Mama, worry about it. Just manage it, okay?
God bless you.
Stella, I'll see you around now. But before I leave, let me just quickly drop this for you, okay?
Thank you. He's such a wonderful young man.
Wonderful young man because he gives you money, isn't it?
Yes. He's a good man, and you should have married him.
Mama, stop taking money from Matthew. I know what I'm talking about.
He's a good man.
Man, I've been calling you for like 3 days now. You've not been taking your calls. What is the problem? Is there anything bothering you that you're not letting me know? I am there, Christabel is there, and so many other persons. You are not the Kevin I used to know. Come off your shell and tell me the problem.
Women are all the same. Christabel is so heartless. How could she do this to me? After all I did for her, after all the love I showed her, how can she afford to treat me like a...
Honestly, Calvin, Christabel has nothing to do with bribes. I'm telling you the truth. I am your bosom. We grew together. We share so many things together. If I tell you the truth, you should believe it. Just know that Christabel has nothing. It is Bride that is giving her pressure, wanting to be hers. But Christabel has nothing to do with him. Please, just come off these thoughts in your head right now. I'm telling you the truth. I will not betray you. I just want you to see her, talk to her, reason with her, iron one or two things out with her so that she can know what's going on. Please.
Welcome. What kept you?
Just some work. A lot of office work. I'm sorry I got you worried. Sit down, please. Are you good?
I'm fine now that you're back.
Good to know. Where's my son? Is he in?
He was, but he stepped out an hour ago.
Okay. Honey, can you please get me some water to drink? I'm thirsty.
All right. Welcome.
Thank you.
Kelvin, I've been calling you for God knows how long. What's kept you?
What's the meaning of this? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I've been calling you on the phone. You're not speaking up.
You've just been calling who? Do I look like Bright? Your boyfriend. Is this Bright's house?
Kelvin.
What are you doing here?
Listen to me. Bright is not my boyfriend. I have nothing to do with him. Susan, you need to talk to him.
Hi, Kelvin. Hi.
Hi, Susan.
Can you just calm down? Can you just listen to me at least?
Listen, I have so much respect for you, Susan. That's the reason I'm here. This friend of yours knows how important she is to me. She knows what I'm passing through in the hands of my family. She knows that she is my strength, my source of joy. And yet she is the salt in my injury. Is that fair? Is that fair?
It's not fair. It's not fair. But it's all lies. And honestly, she feels very bad.
You know what? Hey! I have something important to discuss with my father. We'll talk about this in school tomorrow. Fine. Hey. Don't you come anywhere close to me.
Kelvin.
Hey!
Kelvin. Babe.
Get out!
Kelvin! Kelvin! Oh my God. Did you do anything? I didn't do anything. You didn't do anything. Kelvin! It's okay, let's go. Kelvin! Let's go.
Honey, I'll have to go into the room so that both of you can talk. Please. I want you to be gentle with him. Give him whatever he wants. In fact, buy him the car. Just make peace, please.
Okay. As long as he listens, that's the most important thing.
He will listen.
Okay.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
I would have loved to talk, but I have an important quiz this morning, so I need to just go take a shower and run to school. We can talk about it later if it's important.
All right, as you wish.
I'll see you later, Dad.
Fine boy. So you are the guy, huh?
Fine, Bobo.
You are the guy that want to take Christabel away from me. I they talk to you, still sit down. For your mind now, because your popsy over. That's the reason why you are being stubborn over Christabel. Huh?
What does it mean?
Stand! Watch him down! Go down! Go down! You man!
Your time, bro. This is the last one, you know. The next time I meet you.
You don't press. You don't see a condition. You want to
Oh, I'm going to leave and make you come slap me.
Call
us up, dog. Slap me. If na your mate now, you see, you no go beat am.
Don't do. Whoa. Just leave her. I'm your mate. Shut up. Now your mate. Come on, get out from here. Get out from here.
There go, Pano. When body dey sweet you, when you open and body dey sweet you, they do you don't know.
I know they like the way.
Nah, Kola, shut up your mouth.
I know they like am. See this girl. You see how she dey now. So she don't even know who give her belly. You see one bit on top.
Like everybody.
Hey, Kevo. Hey, who can run enter you?
Hey, giddy go. Kevo. No, now. No, for our area now. Look at what it is.
Come.
I cannot have you people and some idiots who do this. No, now. Don't go that way now. Now, yeah, with that. What did this thing? I cannot have you idiots and this stupid people. We do
Don't
this
run
to me.
around. Go prepare.
Now the money be this so. I pray say this money go rich. If you see the hustle I hustle to get this money, it no be easy. How much you want? How much you want?
550. You know, Risho, may you call this your small children, make them bring money now.
Wait, first count one. See, Adam.
1.5.
This money no go
No, Rich, call this your small, call them, make them bring money.
Where then they save?
And you go always they bring money, call me.
Kata! Where they go? The day house.
Small children, when they hear, Kata, when they hear on her name, must every time person they shout.
I don't know, I won't take. You know, go rich. This thing no go rich. Come. Where on a day?
You dey see your sister. She dey comb hair.
I won't
no.
cook.
Now
The
you
money
find
we
pass.
won't take cook for house. See, now the money be this one also for today. You no go rich. So Mona enter inside. Mona anything when I home, Mona bring a more joy. Take cook.
Auntie, now also na be senior for this house. So if we no bring money, we no go eat for this house.
Una no go chop. Shey na dey waka up and down. Una go bring money. Now una go show say una be the fine babes for this
Now
street.
every time you go dey shout, no fall and quarrel.
No,
Enter
these
inside, go
children
bring
they
your
know
money
me, they
come.
talk to them. Go and bring your money.
Enter inside, go bring your money come here.
Maybe na be our senior. We go come dey bring money. Come na work. Na you I dey do am.
Kaka, why you dey talk too much, eh? No be money, mo go bring our money. Eh? Come.
Me na 100 naira get o. I no get money.
See. 100 naira. We all the waka wey they do for the streets. They no dey pay you. Now show free they do. Oh, show free. Shame.
How much be that?
You see, better pikin. See,
Don't
better
worry.
pikin.
You see you, eh?
Yeah.
Like those
You know they do, but you can't get money past people where they do. You see you. this
Shut
your eye
up,
where they
B.
shoot.
Bring me alone. Where you on?
Pretender.
Where you on? Come. Where Brenda and Bridget? Where they go?
Me I say they never come. Me I never use my 2 eyes.
No wahala. No wahala. Oh yeah, where the money?
Shame. See.
You I go begin.
See.
Wait.
Now 100 naira they put.
Leave me alone.
Oh, show free. Brother gave it to me. Brother gave me money. I didn't bring your own money.
See my own.
What is this?
50 naira.
Wait. For night when you don't sleep.
Now only this night. Yesterday night, this girl no, they don't sleep for house. Oh, show free. See.
I get money because I don't use and buy makeup.
Come buy her join abi. See, I'm not gonna collect these girls the money. Shey na dem be
Our big girls. Big girls for the area.
You no go eat for house.
If you touch her,
You no go eat for house. Take this money. Carry this thing. They crazy. So they give you money.
no meat for you. No meat for both of you.
Come, do make you come go market. You no go chop for this house.
If I see the two of them hand for that plate, for that pot.
I beg me because I take my 50 naira.
Pot. Now go see wetin I go do.
Na egusi now. More the egusi may reach everybody. You know say egusi na dey quick come out with big eba.
You know say it's a big price. This girl, eh?
See eh, this my sister na me she resemble.
Which you?
Na my
You know
character
say
she
she black
get.
like that.
I'm so happy that you really show me you are my blood. Good.
So it be, you know, be pass like this. You don't understand.
I believe you.
You see that also, that be too collect well. It too they do grab based on saying Papa get money. You know saying now we get this campus.
I swear.
You don't understand?
I swear.
Omo, you see that guy, in collect, no be small thing. But if him na person will get sense, when I see Crystal Bell, he will just bagger. He will give him space.
Yeah.
I tell you.
You don't fit tell blind man now. You don't fit tell blind man say war don't start because so far I couldn't still have rough. If I see him around Christabel again, he will not use his 2 feet in this campus again. I will cripple him. I swear.
You see that also, or how he Jones, you go tell us say he na junkie. You don't understand? Or maybe forget this, but maybe go bruise.
See, you know guy they be. This time now, I will watch this guy. Me and now, I don't talk cameraman. Any move when they move now, make sure say I dey picture everything. Everywhere good. Hey.
Confirm, I believe you.
You don't be fast like this.
The pain is on my head, nothing doing. I know
I'm not
paid.
You know that's why it be. Now we get this campus. See just they do anything.
Sorry, Hi! Wait, so, because in the court, now him they drag your babe from you. Now he still get liver, carrying boys to come do you like this. Because in the court, I'm gonna touch that guy. I'm gonna touch all of them. And
I swear.
Oh. Now they go no say, streets different from school.
They never know.
Exactly my point. I have people who I should make friends in school, my level, but I said no. I want to belong to the street. And that's why I came to make you guys my friends.
Yes.
Now look at what they did to me. I am not going to be friends with you people and they will do this to me and go scot-free. It's not going to happen.
No.
Look at what they did to me.
No. You know if it happen. See, make I tell you, See, Kevo. You know say this way in us. You never see us act. For your matter, Allah will die where? You see all these ones when they talk. They do, when I just reach I don't just want to talk. You see all these ones when they talk. Now story when I just the yarn. See, Kevo, make I tell you. You see that boy, whether the boy name be Capone for that school, I be my father now own that school, I must touch him. And if my hand no touch him, Bala hand where they here, a hand go touch him.
Turn up to the talk. See, this will not be too much talk. But I see, those boys them. In fact, that school go catch fire. They go see. Don't worry.
I am no longer handsome. I am no longer handsome. Look at me. How do I say hi? How do I say hi to them girls? How do I say hi to them girls?
Just that you are harm. Okay, confirm. Imagine me like this. I don't get it. I tell you, wait till you go talk. Just spot to you now.
Shit! How much is the shop?
Are you mad? Don't worry. I won't tell anything.
Will you shut up?
Because of your months now, they respect you.
Bala?
Right. How dare you? How dare you do that to Kelvin? How dare you?
Christabel, calm down. Did what to who?
Tell me to calm down. Now listen and listen good. This is the last time I am going to warn you. Stay away from me. Don't call my phone. Don't come anywhere close to me. If you push it, I will report to the school authority and to the police.
Christabel, I don't get you here. Relax. He was the one that slapped me. See, for the matter of fact, I was walking on my own. He jumped from behind and slapped me. So, are you expecting me to keep quiet in this
You're a liar. A big liar from the pit of hell, that is what you are. You think I didn't hear? You and this stupid friend of yours and others attacked him and you stand here to tell me he jumped on you. Now you listen to me and listen good. The next time you come close to me, you won't like what will come for you. Stay away from me!
Baby, never reach like that.
I said shut up!
Christabel.
I don't even want to hear one more word from you. The person I blame is Gold. I blame her for giving my number to you, knowing full well that I have something going on with Kelvin. Yet she gave you my number.
Why are you?
I am not going to stand here and listen to any nonsense you have to say. Don't you ever in your life come close to me again.
Christabel, are you working out on me?
You are a madman.
She go stay calm down. You know all these campus girls, I saw the matter they build. Leave her as you racket and so as she does the shot, she does the matter.
Oh, big mama. Do you want to injure me? Take it easy now.
This one. You think I don't know that you went there to fight? And you are here telling me that you fall down from bike? When did you start climbing bike?
Big mama, I won't lie to you. I won't. Big no.
Relax now, let me.
Relax.
Oh, you don't want this thing
Relax,
to go.
I want it to go.
Wait.
You just said I lied to you. I won't lie to you, Big Mama. Why will I lie to you? My car stopped on the way. I went to get a mechanic. What do you want me to do? I should abandon my car. A car you know I just bought. It's expensive. I went down to get mechanic. I didn't see Uber. I didn't see taxi. I didn't see anything. The only thing I saw was a bike. I said, okay, bike man, take me to the nearest mechanic. That was all I heard. The next thing was, I don't even know how the car jammed me.
Kevin.
Look at what they did to me.
Kevin.
Look at what they did to me.
I can't even believe you anymore. I find it very difficult to believe you. That's how you lied to me that you have quit smoking Indian hemp.
Indian hemp?
Even as you are talking now, everywhere is smelling Indian hemp, Indian hemp.
Oh, Mama. No, Big Mama, wait. Oh, Big Mama, I don't smoke Indian hemp. It must have been those boys that rescued me. They were smoking. I don't even know, but I was feeling that they were smoking. When they hugged me, I started smelling. I don't smoke.
You can say that
I
to
don't
the
smoke. You can call the NDLA and let them come and test me. I don't smoke. I have never smoked before, I can swear. I can't smoke.
You can say that to
I
the
can't
best.
smoke.
You can say that to the best. That's what I'm saying.
Big Mama, me no sense. Ah, Big Mama, Big Mama, Big Mama, wait, hey! Big Mama, Big Mama,
wait,
Big Mama, Big Mama.
Did you see the money I kept in here?
Money?
Yes, I kept $15,000 in this purse. I can't find it anymore. Yes, I kept $15,000. I can't find it anymore. See, it's empty.
Oh my goodness.
There's nothing inside.
How come? I thought you had always locked this purse in the top drawer in our room, and you're always with the key.
Exactly. And I kept it in the drawer because it was for a special purpose. Now I can't find it.
How can... For how long has the money been there?
For 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
What sort of stupid question is that? I'm supposed to take permission before coming into my late mother's room. From you. If I had met my father here, I wouldn't have been having this conversation with you.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't suspect him. Moreover, he said he came to look for you.
Kelvin, come here, come here. Come here. Where is the money you took from this purse? And how did you get the keys to my drawer? What money? Don't act smart with me, boy. The $15,000 you took from here.
Oh! So you have $15,000 in this house, and each time I ask you for money, you said you don't have. Why? Because you're busy spending my mother's money on this maid you call a wife. No, hey, I'm not talking to you. Now I took what rightfully belongs to me. Kill me. Kill me!
I've had enough. What did you say?
Kill me! What did you say?
Please. What are you waiting for? Honey, please.
What are you waiting for? Kill me! Kill your only son because of this witch!
Boy!
Hey! You're a witch!
Boy!
You bewitched my father! You cannot bewitch me! Witch!
It's okay, honey. It's okay. As you can see, he's messed up already. See the injury on his face. It's okay, please. Just calm down, okay?
We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days, night to come, night to come. Back in the days, seasons will come, nothing changes. Seasons will come. Back in the days, gentle breeze never gets my way. But now the night is so long, like day will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. But no, no. How can I be happy? How can I see the old good days reign again? Oh no, it's blue all the way now. Sadness. Happiness is gone away, far away. Joy is gone away, far away.
Young man, what did you do that for? I am talking to you, Calvin. Didn't you say I was watching a program?
Are you yelling at me? Are you alright? This house and everything in it belongs to my father and my mother. If you don't like it, you scram. You can go back to the shithole where my father picked you from if you're not comfortable with it.
What? Listen, Calvin. I will not have you talk to me like that. I'm in my husband's house. I'm your stepmother. If the drug and the weed you took this morning is affecting your brain, that's your problem. But don't talk to me like that. Don't try it. What is it? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? I won't take this insult no more.
Did you just call me a drug addict?
Well, you just called yourself one.
We shall see.
Oh, please. Rubbish.
taken the pains to explain these things to you guys because I see that you're the closest people to him. And I suppose you have also noticed that he's getting more and more dangerous.
If I tell you I know what to say, then I'll be lying. He has changed completely. It has gotten to the point where he gets angry easily. Each time I try to talk to him, it results to a fight immediately. Just 2 days ago, he got angry and slapped me.
What?
That's true, sir.
I'm not surprised. He does the most despicable things these days, especially when he gets high on whatever he takes. Do you know he even threatened to beat up my wife, his own stepmother? He has completely lost it, okay? But we can't abandon him to his fate. We have to keep talking to him, okay? To see if he'll get better. Christabel, I know he loves you very much. So please don't stop telling him the truth no matter what.
Sir, to tell you the truth, I really do not think we are close to him the way we used to anymore. He met this set of ghetto boys that are now his best buddies.
Alright. I think I know what to do. Thank you guys, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
You're welcome, sir. We'll take our leave.
That's okay.
Guys, come in.
I told you people that I have LOP, land of plenty.
Oh my!
So we have 3 plans here. Plan A, smoke.
I didn't tell you.
Plan B, chow. Plan C.
Almost see chow.
Come, behave yourself. No try this thing again. Which kind of thing be that one? Why the phone you go? No try am. Oh boy. When I chop.
You don't do not take it easy.
When you see that,
Chop food.
I bought toilet.
Yo, no shaking.
Toilet, Baba.
Balashos Bala. Balashos Bala.
No, they shout like this.
Let me live my life now.
No, they shout like this. I feel that view.
You get the
I feel that view.
Egbon.
You try.
Take that toilet.
You try, Sha.
Yes, now.
I swear. Alone.
Kelvin! Kelvin, what is the meaning of this? I prepared this soup this morning.
Wait. Don't be that your past girl with this.
Now, I don't understand. A house help is now talking to the boss. What's your problem? Huh? If you don't have better things to do, can't you just scram?
I wonder.
Bounce!
If you do anything, you go collect slap.
You just have to come and show yourself. When we know say na you cook am. Not only you dey cook.
Come on here now.
Come on.
We never expect you too much.
Na your money.
Come on here.
This thing wey you wear wey be like wedding gown. Come on here now, make this thing.
I go throw it carry
I get for my body. You don't do one, not be your house with this. You dey shout.
Call and respect yourself.
You better tell you don't well. You go come on here now.
Hey boy! Power! Authority today,
like the bad deal with you. Anybody will find your trouble, don't find my trouble. Mama, you feel.
We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto.
Do your face where? Huh? Wedding gang go fit you.
How may I help you, please?
Yes, so you give me many things to help me about. As I did like this, it get where I get wound from my heart. Where as you dey now, you go help me patch am. As I see you now, I speak the time saying you. Now you go do am for me.
Fix your wounded heart. How?
See, ma, tell you something, eh? Anything will make you, agree for waiting me at the tell you like this, eh? I swear, anything you want for this area, I go give you. Wait, no vessel. They start around this area. Woman.
I beg your pardon?
Fine girl.
Is that why you stopped me?
See, ma, tell you something, Since we are in this area, I never see any girl will fight with you. I swear. Now, God, just send you come here and start to talk to you. Fine girl.
Sorry, I'm not interested.
Wait, God. You self, body just dey sweet you. Whoa, body just dey sweet you. You know who I be for this area? You know who I be?
Are you okay?
See?
Are you sure you are okay? I don't care to know who you are. I am not interested. And I have a boyfriend.
Shut up, B! Which guy your boyfriend? Whoa. You get lost, say me I dey in a good mood now for that sound you. For your dash you 500. Nonsense. You know say I see yellow and they try package you, they misbehave. Just show less small picking shit. Nonsense. You get luck, oh.
Babes, you know why I call on her? The way things don't be. It be like say these are our small girls then. They won't follow, they won't face us marry.
So,
girls.
If they see husband may they marry now, how don't want to consign me?
Who bring this girl come here?
Wait the money. You mean say you want make we sit down here, make this small rats then face us marry?
Calm down.
Oh, no. So,
Hi.
What do you want make her do?
Make I kill myself?
You dey hear yourself so? Every time go they carry yarn. They yarn rubbish with this mouth. You won't remain for this house? It be like say you want this house, Abi. No worry, calm down. I get plans.
I won't hear the plans.
Just calm down, I get plans.
So you get plans since? Now you make me waste my time for you, Abi? You get plans?
You're crazy, so sure you know. I they talk, you they talk, Abi. Now beat you won't beat me.
If you want to talk with you, I beg. If you want to talk with you, I talk.
Sister Cecilia, you're a mother. Even before I married Agnes, I had lost both my parents. And as Agnes's elder sister, I see you as not only my own sister, I see you as, you are my sister-in-law. I see you as my mommy, I see you as everything. So automatically, you're a big mommy to Kelvin. I want you to help me ask him, what is the problem? Because I am tired. There is nothing a father should do that I haven't done. All right? Even last night, I asked him, do you want me to take you to the United States so you can stay with my elder sister, continue your schooling there and everything? He said no. So what is it he wants? Is it cars? Is it money? He gets everything.
Kevin.
Big Mama.
Have you heard what your father said? I have spoken to you severally about your stubbornness and the sudden change in character. I've begged you to stop, but you didn't listen. Now, I heard that you no longer go to school. Do you think your mother in the grave will be happy seeing you behaving like this? Huh? Kevin, okay, let me ask you, what is your problem?
Thank you very much, Big Mama. You know I love and respect you so much, Big Mama. I take your words. I love my father. I don't joke with my father. As a matter of fact, he is my mentor. The only problem I have with my father is that gold digger, which he has refused to send away from this house. That's the problem.
Did you hear that?
Kevin, you're crazy. You must be stupid. Ah, what is wrong with you? Why are you talking like this? Huh? I've warned you severally to stop thinking about that your useless idea of paying her off. Have I not? Okay, what did she do to you?
Big Mama, I won't stay here to answer that question. She has done everything wrong. I'll come to your house, we'll talk about it. But as for now, I want my father to know that if that witch does not leave this house, there will be no peace. If that gold digger and witch does not leave this house, there will be no peace. Period.
Kevin, come back here. Kevin, come back here. My in-law, please, take it easy. Huh? It shall be well. It shall be well.
Again, Stella.
Give me change.
Come back to your change. Huh?
Look at this.
Hey! Matthew! It's an armed robber.
You can see it for yourself. Not all that glitters is gold.
Hey! Hey!
I thought you were sleeping when I was at the visitor's restroom, getting dressed, about taking my shower.
I know you're going to go out by this time of the night. So where are you going to?
I'm sorry, honey, duty calls. I've got to hurry now. I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Duty calls? What kind of duty? It's almost 2 a.m. Yesterday he left around 3 a.m. On Sunday, 1 a.m. What does he go out to do at this odd hours?
Hello, baby. Please, hurry and make me breakfast. I am very famished. Office was terribly hectic last night. Here, going, okay?
Sit down, we need to talk.
Baby, I just told you that I'm famished. Can't this thing you want to tell me wait? Go in and make me breakfast.
You can't wait.
What is this?
Open it.
What? Where did you get this from?
From your pocket.
Me? My pocket? Oh, I remember now. Just the other day at the office, our chief security was trying to change the light bulb and then fell from the ladder. But I was just there in time to rush him to the hospital. Baby, you need to see that fall. It was very serious. Yes. I think the bullet fell from his gun. Yes, I'm very sure. Yes.
I see. Matthew, what kind of job do you do? I mean, aside from the one I know.
Actually, I'm even thinking of quitting. You know, it's a heavy factory work and most of the machines there, I am the only person who can control it. That's why my manager always calls on my attention. But you know what? I promise, as soon as we get married, I'll quit that job, okay? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So go in and make breakfast. I am very famished.
Okay.
All right.
Mama, that's why I refused to marry him. Because I knew his hands were not clean.
So, I have been eating an armed robber's money. But why didn't you tell me?
Mama, how do you expect me to tell you? I didn't have a concrete evidence against him. That's why I pretended and quarreled with him so that we'll break up peacefully. And I told you not to collect anything from him, but no, you wouldn't listen to me.
So, I've been eating an armed robber's money. Hey, God forbid. Hey, God have mercy. God forgive me.
Mama, that makes you an accomplice.
God forbid. Gene, when you're an accomplice. Hey, Matthew, how? So, an armed robber.
So, see as the flex me.
No, say, but I bring me that for her. Because as I go also down also, as that man pay, straight up.
Right.
I buy one jean, one t-shirt, and the change will take the flex now. So tomorrow when they go there again now.
God don't bless you. What did you do and say? God will bless you.
Omo, this girl fine, you know.
I swear, that girl fine. Go.
Wait. Do you know her?
I never seen the girl before for this area. I be you know her.
I don't know her. Maybe they just pack come.
Maybe I think so. Or she come visit Mercy.
See, babe. See, guy, don't tell me. I go track that babe. I'll make a tracker.
I go drink your own cocoa.
No try, man. Maybe I no get problem. No try.
But you a fellow woman now. I wish you well on God. You hear me? Madam, no try tell am where I follow. No try am. If you try me, you know what I go do for this your job now. Now rain go fall. And you self, you know that one.
We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. This is a paradise. We are the men of the hood, we can never ask you who. But if you look like Mumu, we will show you how.
Auntie, fine girl. Hello. Take it easy, eh? Fine girl. I don't whistle you since now. I've been following you, eh?
Excuse me? Do I know you? Why do you have to drag me like that?
Take her easy now. I never reach fight. Why you dey harsh like this? My name now, Adams, king of boys. What's your name?
Do I look like a dog to you? Why would you be whistling at me?
No vex now. You're not supposed to harsh. You know, say you na fine girls. Fine girls, no the fine girls the package. They know they para like that now. You see, what will be your name now?
I don't care.
Wait now. Why would they fight? Sure, I don't. Person see you like your package. We know they fight now.
For your information, leave me alone. Let me be. My father is a soldier, so if you like yourself, let me pass.
Soldier? Wait yourself. Now your papa be soldier. So because you know say your father soldier, just the embarrass people anyhow. You think say you fine, sir? You not fine. Let me show yourself. I better go. Woo! One girl. Now your papa be soldier. That's gonna call you the soldier. She talk. Soldier. Chichi, your mother bring the cigar.
She never come back from market.
Which kind of market your mother go save? Since morning. Kevo, how far? What is your big mommy gonna reason?
Madam, just ignore those people. I'm sure that witch, that gold digger has gone to convince them, but no problem. But as long as I live in that house, that maid will not be there. She would go back to the slum where she belongs. That's it. There's no how she's going to live in that house. It's not even possible.
That women get power, Sha. Women. Who's that girl? Leave that one. That one no get manners. Leave that one.
She is so fine. I'm going to talk to her.
Wait, listen, make I tell you something. You go for your hand. Because her papa na soldier. She dey do anyhow for area. Make I tell you, now find that girl just fine. Manners, single manners no gum that girl. No reason I'm
Beauty conquers all. I'm going to talk to her. See you.
Hey! Kevo! Hey! Kevo, no, I don't tell you!
Hi. My name is Calvin. What's your own pretty name?
I am Ifoma. May I help you?
Nice name, Ifoma. Obviously, the sun is much. Seems like you're not in a good mood. Can I have your number so I can call you later?
Sorry, I don't give my number to random guys.
I am not a random guy. Look at me from head to toe. You see a guy all blazed up. Give me your number, let me call you so we can talk better.
Please excuse me. I have to go now.
I'm sorry.
Don't you dare touch me. Are you sick in the head or something? Nonsense.
She slapped me. Beautiful slap.
Hi, dear, man, no day.
Told you. It's going to go well. So how come no one is removing from my seat? It's Kelvin. Move!
Kevo!
Move!
Kevo!
Stand up now. Wait, what you do?
Let me get a TikTok on me now.
Good news.
What did the babe talk?
Good news. I just went straight to her. I smiled at her, told her my name, and she told me her name. Give me your number, and she gave me her number, period.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait first. How this baby?
Pretty tall,
Yes.
very pretty.
Fair girl, one fair, slim,
You know
tall,
her?
pretty girl.
Wait. She fair, tall.
Yes.
That nonsense girl.
I take no.
Now she be the girl I they tell you now. That day now, what they say when you sought me 2 days ago now.
That should be that.
Now she now.
This same girl, what I
Now.
say, this same girl. I nearly beat her because she insult me, talk to me anyhow. But when she tell me say I'm a papa soldier, man, I move.
No, not my life.
I move ahead.
But whoa, guys, what are you saying? It's Kelvin, it's not you. I went to this girl, I said hi, she said hi. I smiled at her, she smiled back. Give me your number, and she gave me her number. That's what I'm saving.
Okay, she give you her number.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Oh, really? Yeah,
Kevin, Kevo, you have it. You have it.
I have it.
You have it.
So
you don't believe me?
Kevo, you save that girl number for your phone.
Yeah.
You have it. Have. You have it.
How come no one believes me?
No, we believe you.
We believe you now. We believe in you.
Trust that guy go fit give you a number. He try you.
Better give us drink.
Kevo, I better do something.
Come on, give us drink. Come on,
Bring drink now. They go tell you.
Drinks.
They need to give you another invitation before you go bring drink for us. You
Madam,
don't see Kevo here.
Come, you go tell your mother.
Come, don't misbehave.
Make she try add shawarma for you.
You really say they insult me for this area. Don't even try insult Kevo. Man, no get Kevo from man. Give us drink and beg, Joe.
What's that?
You don't know Kevo. You don't go to their house before. You think say their house be
This
like
now all this area boys so you and they follow the
This drink, this drink, he high pass NEC.
First, whenever go township before, you know go calm down. Make your brain calm down.
This drink high pass NEC.
Why don't you come with us so that we can bond and cool off?
I am not interested.
But you've always loved the ranch. And besides, this is weekend, no school. So please just come, it'll be fun.
Well, I have better things to do with my time.
All right. As you wish. By the way, there's a check I left on your bed. You can buy the car you wanted.
Are you serious? You're not joking, right?
Why don't you go and find out?
All right. Thanks, Dad. So, when are you traveling?
On Sunday.
Sunday. Oh. Don't play like that, Dad. Are you serious?
I said go and find out.
All right, I'll go and find out. Bala, what's up? My G! How far now? Wagwan. Listen, guy, quick one, yeah? Tomorrow, I want you to bring them boys over to the house. You hear me? Shut down. Lock down. No. Most importantly, Oshere, the chicks them. I'm putting that one in your care. Bring them chicks to the house. As many as possible, I got the cheese. As many as possible, just bring them chicks to the house. Barashios. Alright, I'm gonna see you. Okay. Hit me right back. As soon as you assemble the girls, just tell me, let me know what it will cost, okay? Alright. Bad guy.
Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days,
if you see babes everywhere, good.
You know I love booty.
Everywhere.
No worry, get worried if you see Nash.
You don't start again. I will control one babe from Port Harcourt. They show now everywhere good.
Port Harcourt.
I tell you. From Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt.
Bust everywhere. You see babes. This party
boys
cast.
just throw away.
I still call that girl for our area. I know the matter. I don't say like that girl. They call.
So area and Port Harcourt.
Everywhere.
Today I swear.
Today we'll cast your house everywhere.
Today?
Yeah.
No, cast the house.
Cast everywhere.
Cast my house. You know, so whenever display now.
I fit throw away from here. I fit throw away. AJ boys they throw away. I fit throw away.
No one will go display.
Cast.
We go display.
The
No one
matter
will
be
say
say,
sure.
the matter be say, they say, hope you arrange enough drinks and everything.
You take me play. Land of plenty. LOP.
We're shocking.
We are living.
Big boys. Yes, so the party no go sweet because no day. Yes, sir.
I'm moving for any happening.
Now they come down for our go. I go collect. I go there well. Okay. Everybody good. Welcome, guys. I'm sure you guys don't know where you are. Yes, sir. Yeah. It is called Garden of Eden. Of course. Land of plenty. These drinks, they are not for lose. Of course. We are going to massacre it. We are going to get it down. Yes, cool. On action, everybody please drink. Egbon!
Give me lighter.
Don't go worry me, me at the shadow today. Big brother, feel free. You never know what they are. Egbon.
Don't take past your gate, you. Oh my!
Stand up, girls. Dance. Let's see what you
so press your ass like that.
Yes, so. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Stand up and dance.
I got my size to that. We'll leave my size.
Alright, yeah, that's it.
We are living in this hood.
Fuck man.
Yes, the ball.
Oh,
let's go. No worry.
Oh,
we are living in this hood.
Oh, shit.
No one show up, let's see.
We are living in this hood.
Let's go. No worry.
We are living in this hood. On this ghetto. This is a paradise. At the man of the hood. But if you look like
I will position you well.
we are the rude boys. We are the rude kings. But if you know
I will make you leave your house.
this hood, on this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. We are living in this hood, we own this ghetto. This is a paradise. And the man of the hood, we can never ask you who. But if you look like Mumu, we go show you. We are the rude boy, yeah, we are the rude kings. And if you know like I'm make the hit to roll now.
Baby, I don't enjoy the lifestyle. You enjoy the lifestyle, I brought you. Fuck me!
mistake. It was a mistake. Mommy said it was a mistake. 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 Stop me. Move into that van right now. It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional. I wouldn't kill her. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. I won't kill her. It was a mistake. Mommy said it was a mistake. It was a mistake, please. Father, please. Father, please.
My friend, will you shut that your dirty mouth before I throw you back to that cell? You have all it takes to be happy and comfortable in life, yet you choose the wrong way of life. Why?
Because of his hatred for Stella. See where it has landed you.
And from the look of things, it is very obvious that you might end up life imprisonment.
No, that's not, Father, please. You're not going to stay here and watch this happen to me, Father, please. Please, I'm sorry, Father, I'm sorry. I swear I'm a changed person now. I'll turn a new leaf. I'll become a better person. Don't allow them to do this to me, Father, please. Where is, no.
How do I believe you? How? What is it I have not done? I warned, I begged. You had a good relationship with your girlfriend, Christabel. You have a very good friend, Jide. But you rejected them because they were always telling you the truth about things. Why? You chose to follow the gangs in the street.
Father, I swear on my late mother's grave, I'm a changed person now. I will not follow those boys again. I would not smoke. I would not drink. I'll forbid alcohol and smoke. I'm a changed person now. I'll obey her, respect her.
My friend, it is too late to cry when the head is cut off. You're a murderer.
I'm not a murderer. Oh, Father, are you going to be here if you're calling your own son a murderer? Do something, Father. Are you going to be here and allow these people waste my life? Do something. Mom, please. Please. Please, please, Mom, do something. Please. Please, Mom. Please.
Mom?
You can now call her Mom?
Yes. She is my mother. Are you not my mother? Do something. Please, Mom. Mom, please. Please don't let these people send me to jail. I don't want to go to jail. I'm innocent. Please, Father. Please. Please, Father. Mom, I love you. Show some mercy. Don't let these people take me away. I'm innocent. Father, please. Please. Please, Father, please. I beg you, I'll take a new leave. I'll turn a new leaf. I'll be a better person, please.
Sarge.
Sir.
Let them in, my friend. This
Let who in again? Father, say something, Mom. Mom, beautiful Mom, it's still your son. Do something. Say, honestly, I'm innocent.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go.
You?
Yes, it's me. And I am not a ghost.
Yes, she's still alive. We did all this to show you that your wayward ways will not lead you anywhere.
And I hope you've really learned your lessons.
Back in the days, sun will shine, light to the moon, moon will be. Back in the days, rain will come, rain will go.
I am sorry. Dad, I am sorry. I'm sorry for my wayward attitude, my disobedience, for everything that I have done wrong to you. I'm sorry. Mom, please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I swear, I'll never disrespect you. I'll never talk to you. I'll respect you, I promise.
I forgive you.
Thank you, Mother.
You're my son.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
But you should thank your love here, Christabel, and your best friend, Jide. It was all their idea.
You two are involved in this.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
Hello.
Sir. Thank you.
This is the girl we told you about.
Oh, she's the one, eh?
Yes, Ifeoma by name.
All right, Ifeoma, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Here's the picture. Take a good look at it. And here.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Hmm?
It is done.
All right. Let's go.
Take care of yourself.
I'll give you a call, okay? All right.
What more can I say? I know right now you're looking at me, Father, and it feels like I'm a total disappointment. I beg you, right here and now in front of everyone here, I am sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I don't even know why I acted this way. I am sorry. I promise a new leave. Waywardness is not it after all. Please find it in your heart to forgive me, all of you. I'm sorry. Mother.
Father, I am sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you, for the way I treated you. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. I promise you, I would always treat you like a mother. Please.
Back in the days, oh yeah, back in the days, night to come, night to come. Back in the days, seasons will come, nothing changes. Seasons will come. Back in the days, gentle breeze never catch my way. But now the night is so long, like it will never come. Sadness in the sky. I am wandering with many thoughts, fears and worries in my mind. Oh no, no. How can I be happy? How can I see the old good days reign again? Oh no, it's blue all the way now. Happiness is gone.